Yo be abladi me falanye kembaleke plamanelo. I come your way with a good news. Me bagnyebenoke umanye sani. It's about our father, not even our brother, our father, a legend. We affectionately call him Titi, Niji taxi driver. So in this video, I'm going to talk and also share with you the people who have come on board that are willing to help, not even willing, have even gone ahead to make a pledge and also take a step to help our father and our legend, Titi. Nnaganjabi, aka Ghanaian. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Nnaganjabi, aka Ghanaian. And on this platform, I speak Ghana, I promote Ghana, anything about Ghana, we promote Ghana, and also we teach the Ghana language as well. We're trying to help people to understand the Ghana language, which is spoken by the people of Greater Accra. It's a good news that I want to share with all of you. If you could remember I think late in the 90s, yes, we used to watch this man called Titi. Titi, we call him Titi. He's a veteran actor, which recently he was being granted an interview, and he put it on public that he needs people to help him for his rent payment. They were like money afe, mo baba ho ni egbe ye internet no. She moon nyuma afe wodromo me PAG here just to help this man, because I quite remember those days when we used to watch him. He bring laughter to us, we watch him, and I think every 6 o'clock we are just ready by our TV set to watch Titi. Ni ebo modern wa e really be sang no one language on nake Jeno fiana wole mu shi ebote hamomini ebini ma wale be sane papa ni wa anuji ake we Germany wonyeme ko na atwa me the Ghanaian Youth Association amebomode amana Greater Accra Regional Minister na meke sane engme here. The Ghanaian Youth Association members just finished another meeting with the Greater Accra Regional Minister Honorable Henry Quarty concerning veteran actor Mr. Sam Adjeteyfio, aka Titi, the taxi driver. He thanked us for bringing this news before him and promised to donate 1,500 Ghana cedis every month of his parliamentary pay to him for his upkeeping. He also directed them to present him with a bank details for the process. Be noni ekeji leken wo nyeme ni yo Ghanaian Association ye te wo honorable ne here ni amekasani for here. So he pledged ake iba wa beniji ewushi ake iba watiti ni noni ekeji ye nyonfe nyomi eba ha 1,500 Ghana cedi keje e pay na ba pay parliament every month eba send 1,500. We chuna bi leni ekel bank details keni bi ahakoni enyefe.
Yeah, I heard that the vice president is interested.
Wow.
And but a friend of mine called me. He was giving me details.
Hey, so you've not heard from the vice president or anyone?
No, himself. I haven't heard anything from him.
Nagbene lokoni Germany wofe efeme ekma na akpe ake walenche wo hia manye lo semo niji the vice president Dr. Bawumia lewe je hia kwa ake lewe ba watiti
Talking to you, I should stand properly.
No, look, uncle. No, if you stand me too, I will stand.
Hey, when you are here, then it's just like the vice president is sitting down. So I have to
Uncle, please.
with my hands behind me.
Yes, I came to do a donation on his behalf.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Kane fe wo na akpecho ejake Titi eji gbomagbo. He's very jovial, he has a lot of humor. So the way you hani me pi sumo sani oni sanene ba jepo hani mofia mo yo ona e wo me pi ba for da ka mba femini amba wale o Bawumia ni ji wo hie nye lo semo. Dr. Bawumia this morning fulfilled a promise he made to Titi of the taxi driver fame to foot his rent bill.
Okay, Uncle Titi.
Yeah.
Do you know I'm here because of the vice president?
Huh?
I'm here because of the vice president.
Really? Obejem by.
The vice president says that for a period of 5 years, every 6 months, your 3,000 is sorted. Okay. So for the next 5 years, you are not going to struggle to pay your rent again.
Okay.
So that's it.
That's for the next.
For 5 years.
For 5 years.
Yes.
Hey.
So this is 30,000.
Wow. You know something? Mm-hmm. Since this money came, I haven't held something like this before.
He also paid 6 months renewable for the next 5 years and added 20,000 Ghana cedi for his upkeep.
In fact, then let me say it straight away. Mr. Vice President, I'm really, really honored, and tears don't come to me easily, but in such situations, before I realize the tears roll down. So please, if you see that tears are rolling down, I'm sorry. But I really, really, I don't know what to say. I thank you so much. I really, really thank you. Thank you.
Well, my new here lost money, Dr. Bawumia. Wushiake, pay a 6 months, hale shika, ni shika mi hamo, niji, pay 6 months every year. Pay 6 months for the next 5 years, niji afi inumo. Ni agbene ke shika niji 20,000 ke hale ni kwe ehe. Noni pe wako me wahiye manuel of ceremony ake. I think it's quite a good thing for people reaching out to help Titi, and I'm so glad because I quite remember recently Nyemi Yoniji Nashomi ni if your TV program could actually like Balamo saying I think long a tele national money wabkaba dangbe attain was sending wa appeal for money and then okay yahale. So I think mokubabi ake chuni lo dabi in le ake chuni ni yeshu ake a situation because oba no ake besane ehichele ni bi ami yo ojoba ne penu na interview le ebenoko na chu ni abi like what if you ten ni yoni alo eku ni ke echon philanthropy eke chobini charity a use word ko ake chon charity be eba ni e na agba shimon wo fen gbe meji wo mene afele wo ole money ba fi shimon na ke me ba ake afemini awale ni wonyemi yo na chole nana aba anamwa ne choni GH1 TV ekete Facebook ne yangma ake Dr. Bawumia this morning fulfilled a promise he made to take the taxi driver for to foot his rent bill. Ni Germany mo fi amona. Video ko mo baje ko ni money a interview le. E say te ko ni ekeshika ya hale ye camera ni mo fe wona kele. A wo shika pofun like ni titi ke shika le mo ko kumita. And it's quite a good thing. Ni papa ko actually kokonsa GH ye Instagram. La on ba post ake if ake be na show ni na show ni ni moko actually mean kweku GH hyper 1 e share ye Instagram page no ni oblayo ko na actually Aisha Modi ko te Instagram egbe she loves tomboy ni lehun ibangma ake daddy I'm coming worry no more about rent for the rest of your life. Niji be leken you natural Aisha Modi ne lehun etwefa ishi yake lehun eba femini eba wa titi ko ni lehun eji no ne ba yen fe ni ewa lehun eba bomo shimon I think ni e conclude ni nu shi inle anukwale ni yomi shi no ni nuji akebe wo nyeminu ni actually Rev Obofour aka mini ni jata ake ibama chu ke ha titi ene muele anukwale inle anukwale ni yomi ni inako document ko alo noko personally maka ke o mama no mi Shimu ejino kuni hiyo koyom ni nke Kenya bagba hisani ni ma Kenya. Ale no keje okwemi ni onu no kulakan ni onake anokale ni comment mo ya comment section ona koni ohamale. Ofa ne wa e ba ngona keje okwe video ne o ba share no comment no like no share. They like it like I like it like more no share ni o comment no ni country no join video ni fini Kenya share ne hamale ya comment section ni keje no ko ye no so ma fe video ya gamie o fine share mo ni obomode ni ohani mo ko woni ni a share like video be no ni wo call ma nye here lo se mo ke mo fe mo ne ji ameji ame hi ake ambawa titi e wo ke nyumo afemi ajab be nke video ba ba na ona be konkule o ba na mi ku ni nke ni bi pi ba ba ogbe ka you know ye pa no subscribe mo fe mo no lele na iwu oga alo ganyo ni o fa ni send mo video na ha no ke like you subscribe. It doesn't cost much for you to subscribe. No ni po wa video ba nyi subscribe button me ko ke notification ni o ke me o ke hani be fe be me ni ma post new video o ba na notification bona ni Blamane no ne actually Chorkor Youth TV, yes. Be conclude ma ba ma chonye no actually Chorkor Youth TV. The word Chorkor Youth TV, making God proud. Thank you so much for watching. Until then I come your way another time. My name is Nnaganjabi. Hola. Bawo. Peace out.